Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.